Samsung just pulled off something no one saw coming with the Galaxy S26 FE, and this new Geekbench leak might have just revealed everything. A fresh benchmark listing has surfaced showing a Samsung device powered by a motherboard labeled S5E9965, and that's strongly linked to Exynos 2600 series. More specifically, reports are pointing toward a slightly tuned version, likely called the Exynos 2600E, which could be the chip inside the Galaxy S26 FE. Now, here's where things get interesting. According to the listing, this chipset packs a 10-core CPU setup. You're getting one prime core at 3.55 GHz, three performance cores at 2.96 GHz, and six efficiency cores running at 2.46 GHz. The device is also running Android 16 right out of the box. But let's talk about performance. The Geekbench 6 scores show around 2,700 in single-core and 9,500 plus in multi-core, and that's seriously impressive. These numbers are getting very close to flagship territory, which is something we don't usually expect from a fan edition device. If this turns out to be the actual Galaxy S26 FE, Samsung might be changing the game here. Instead of just offering a light flagship, they could be delivering near flagship performance while keeping things more efficient with this slightly underclocked E variant. And Samsung isn't stopping there. There's also a big upgrade coming to the display. Reports suggest that the same OLED panels planned for the Galaxy A57, including newer flexible OLED technology, could also make their way into future FE devices. That means thinner bezels, better visuals, and an overall more premium design. What's even more interesting is the supply side. While Samsung Display will likely remain the main supplier, Chinese display giant CSOT could also step in. This move could help Samsung reduce production costs and boost supply, which is a big deal as component prices continue to rise. So the strategy is pretty clear. Samsung wants to bring flagship-level display quality and powerful performance to the Fan Edition lineup, but without pushing the price too high. If they pull this off, the Galaxy S26 FE could easily become one of the best value smartphones in its category.